Hello guys, today I'm very excited to show you this new product I received. I'm going to be showing it. It's like this, the product, and it says that it's an ultimate must-have for chefs. So it is oven mitts, it says here, and it contains the kitchen towels and the pot holder set. Okay, now in the back part it says that it has the non-slip silicone, that I think that it will be perfect for the people who cooks a lot. You know that having the non-slip silicone, it's perfect because it will be practice everything you are cooking. Then it says that it's also 500 Fahrenheit heat resistant, so that it's also perfect. And it has an extra long wrist protection, so the people who have like very big hands, that this product, it will help you a lot. Then it has an easy hanging and storage, and it has the washing machine and comfortable and soft fabric. Okay, so I'm going to be opening it with you so that you can see how it works. It comes like this, the product. I have here the scissors, so let me open it. Okay, I'm very excited to try this product because here in my house we cooked a lot, like cakes or desserts, so I think this one, it will help a lot. And wow, it's very beautiful. The towel, well, it comes like a lot of towels. The first one, it's this one, this gray towel. Okay, it's like small, and I also think that you can use it for for many things. Okay, then it comes this one. It's like white with, it's like a type of gray or purple, I don't know, but it's very soft, it's incredible. Then it comes another one of this one, and okay, they came two grays and two whites, like of the same size, that it's like this is the size. Okay, now then it comes one bigger, okay, that it's like rectangle. Then it comes another one bigger. Oh, it has a lot of and two more whites, like the same size. So that ones, I think they're incredible. And you know that they always function, this type of towels, and I like it because you can use it for many things. Now the product, it goes here inside. Here it's the non-slip. Yeah, these ones are the non-slip, like you can see here, they have it. And it comes with this part so that you can put things here inside, or maybe like take things from the oven. But you have here the globes, okay, and they also have the non-slip product here, and they're really big. For my hands, they're really big, but I think it's incredible. Okay, it looks like this, right? And I think they are perfect. Okay, let me put the two products. Okay, they look like this, and I like that this one, it contains here like this part so that you can storage some things. And they also came with this like little pot to put it like maybe in the wall or any part you want to put it. And I like it because it is a beautiful color, and I think it combines like with every color you have in your house. Okay, like you can see here, I have like a type of beige, so I think this one, it will looks perfect. Okay guys, I already put here the towels that it comes with the product, and I think really they look perfect because the colors, I think they're like very different, and I think it combined with every kitchen. And then here in this side, I have, well, I have my glove put it on, and I want to show you when you take things that it's going to be very difficult that the product like had an accident, because the non slip silicone, I think it functions a lot, and I think it's perfect. And also I want to show you, for example, here that this it moves a lot, but if we change it like this way, look, it moves. Like you can see this, it moves, but the product down no. So I think it the product, it functions very well, and also the color, it's incredible with this one.